So brake clean, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just lay the bike down and go under the bike. That probably saved his life. Holy crap, what did we just witness?
Bro, what?
So brake clean, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just lay the bike down and go under the bike. That probably saved his life. Holy crap, what did we just witness?
Bro, what?
Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Moto Stars, you can't just show me that and not tell me what's going on. All right, so we're coming out here. Look how far away we are. Let's take a... I can't see his Speedo. We're filming with a potato. More than likely, we're speeding. I can't see his Speedo. Oh, yeah, we're speeding. We're speeding pretty fast. This vehicle did not see us because we're going this fast, and maybe if they did see us, they thought we were super far away. You see the moment we fall down? What causes that, class? What causes us to just instantly fall down? Go ahead and grab a donut if you're feeling like you need to. I need to grab a donut. Let me know what would have caused him to dump that bike that quickly. Come on, I'm giving you hints here. Fist full of brake. He smashed it. So this is that whole I had to layer down thing. People aren't riding. Whenever I heard I have to layer down, I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, are you riding and you're like, is that laying it down? No, this is laying it down. I had to layer down. It came out in front of me. You didn't do anything other than this, and your bike decided to fall down because of gravity and traction and friction and all that stuff. You didn't just ride, oh, vehicle coming. No, you didn't lay it down. You crashed. You literally crashed. There it is. Smashed it, fell down. Now let's go ahead and see what happens. Thankfully, it was a truck that was lifted a little bit, right? All right, let's see if we can make it. Ooh, oh, we're going to hit her head on the tire. Okay, there's that. Oh, we're going to hit her body. He got flippity-floppited around. So he bounced off the rear tire. He didn't go under. He didn't go under. The bike went under. So look at the amount of road rash on the jeans. So this is why you don't wear just regular jeans. Just that simple crash. That crash for that short amount of time tore him up. There is damage underneath. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean there's not damage. There is damage underneath. So he's checking his body because he probably impacted his right ribs. That's why he's checking that.
Bro, what?
He was going way too fast for the area. But look how much damage it causes. Very lucky. Very lucky. Do not speed. Do not haul ass. Do not blame the truck driver on this one. Do not blame the truck driver. We're going too fast. Slam the brakes.
Bro, what?
Should be going the right speed. We're full gear too, just in case this happens. Here we go. Oh. I literally thought that was the end of it. Moving on. Let's see, lost his shoe. There's the bike.
Why did you stop? Why didn't you just commit?
All right, motorcycle instant karma.
We have very predictable results.
Cody Bowers, welcome.
Watching to the end.
All right, so we're in a car.
Oh, he's gonna.
He's doing wheelies around the corner, right in front of a vehicle, kind of being a jerk. I'm gonna replay it because these are car drivers. So think about it from their perspective. Let's go ahead and restart the whole thing. This is a thought experiment right now. We are in the car. We don't ride motorcycles. We are with our significant other or friend, and we don't know anything about him. We just see a dude doing wheelies, just kind of being a hooligan on the street. And these are going to be the natural, organic comments that people will have about a motorcyclist. But I want you to think like them right now. I want you to hear what they have to say about us. Think about that. What do people have to say about us? That's how serious I take this.
This rather risky ride ended with a very predictable result, so it's worth watching to the end.
What the heck? Oh, he's gonna. What the hell's he doing?
No. He's being dangerous.
You want to hear S.M.A.R.T, the message.
Now he's up on the sidewalk.
Yes. Somebody off?
Or is that he's turning left?
No, he's just take off. What's he doing? Oh, jeez. Oh.
Let's see if he's okay.
Put your flash. You're still going with your flash on.
Let's see if he's alright. You alright,
okay?
man? Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
What the hell is this? What the fuck? Is he doing a TikTok dance? All right, so now that you guys understand what people think, and they're like, what a dangerous act. This guy's being kind of dumb. Like, what the hell's going on? Confusion, confusion, confusion. And the moment he crashes, they're like, let's see if we can help him.
Let's see if he's okay.
Let's see if he's okay.
Put your flash. You're still going with your flash on.
Let's see if he's alright. You alright,
okay?
man? Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Let's watch it in slow motion. Let's just appreciate this.
Oh, jeez.
Whee! Boom. Boom. Lots of tailbone and spine. What are we gonna do? All right, make sure we get a TikTok dance. Yeah, yeah. Is that the new, like, is that what that is? Because it just looks dumb. Both of them do. I don't know why I just did that on camera. Holy crap. All right, so enough of this. It was a flourish. Here we go. Bimmerman 1987. See the line of sight in this? You can't see anything. You cannot see anything. So he's got that mesh. Oh, got an air horn. It's got that mesh gear, so it's not going to offer abrasion resistance. It's going to offer impact resistance. So hopefully it stays on the body. Can somebody tell me what the kind of gear this is? Because this might be like perfect for parking lot stuff. You know what I mean? So we're getting kind of close to this. We're all waiting for this buddy or this guy to move around, and we're going to go ahead and just cut off everybody in our group and then pass them on the shoulder. Just because you're bored or just because you're going slow on the interstate and you have a motorcycle, you can do something, doesn't mean you should. Does not mean you should. This is just very impatient riding. Going slow when all of traffic is going slow is not the one person right in front of you's fault. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.